Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to change from this to this. Okay, so you can see here we got not full frame black, full black frame, and this one we are going to put a full frame with black color, the same as what we have in the window. Okay, so first we double click to our wall. So first I'm going to use the outer frame and make it to few sections. Okay, so I'm going to put door for my window. Okay, let's say we have clicked complete after we position our door. Okay, now we want to change the frame color. We want to put as for black color. Again, double click to your wall, but this time you scroll down and you can see accessories. You take this one and position it to your door. Okay, and then you have the enclosure. Just click generate a package and then you click complete and you will have your frame with black color. Alright, so that's all from me. Thank you.